discussion of algebra of linear transformation by Neelam Sharma. What is linear transformation? Linear transformation is a mapping between two vector spaces. So let U and V are the two finite dimensional vector spaces over the same field F. A relation which is called the linear transformation between the elements of U and V satisfies the certain conditions. The relation linear transformation from U to V become a vector space over the field F. The algebra of linear transformation, let V be a vector space over a field F and let homomorphism V be the set of all vector space homomorphism of V into itself. Let T1 and T2 belongs to homomorphism VV and alpha belongs to F, then T1 plus T2 defined by V T1 plus T2 is equal V T1 plus V T2 for all V belongs to V, and alpha T1 is defined by V alpha T1 is equal to alpha V T1 for all V belongs to V. Homomorphism, let V and W are two vector spaces over the field F. The mapping T from V into W is called the homomorphism V1 plus V2 T is equal V1 T plus V2 T. Alpha V1 T is equal alpha V1 T for all V1 V2 belongs to V and alpha belongs to F. Two conditions are equivalent to alpha V1 plus beta V2 T is equal to alpha V1 T plus beta V2 T. If T is 1 1 and onto, then the linear transformation V to W is called the isomorphism. Here is the third theorem. If V and W are the vector spaces over F of dimension m and n respectively, then the homomorphism V to W is of dimension mn over F. Since V and W are the vector spaces over F of dimension m and n respectively, therefore the basis of V have m elements, say V1, V2, V3 up to Vm, and the basis of W have n elements named B dash, that is equal W1, W2 up to Wn over F. Since V be the element of V and is represented as the linear combination of the element of the basis element, so V is V1 del 1 V1 plus del 2 V2 plus and so on del m Vm, where del I belongs to F. I is 1 to m are uniquely determined del or V belongs to V. The elements of the basis of V and any element of V is represented by the linear combination of the basis of V. Let us define Tij, the transformation from V to W by Vi Tij, that is Wi del I Wj, that is Vi Tkj is equal to Wj, that is, so if I is equal k and is 0 if I is not equal to k. Tij belongs to homomorphism of Vw. Now we will show that the mn elements belongs to Tij. I vary from 1 to m and j vary from 1 to n from the basis for homomorphism Vw. Take beta 11 T11 linear combination in the terms of linear combination of beta 11 T11 beta 12 T12 and so on, beta m1 T m1 and so on, beta mn Tmn is equal to 0. Since a linear transformation of V are determined completely if image of the every basis element of it is determined. So multiply with this element V1, we get the V1 is equal Vi, and Vi is equal to Vi into this all the elements जो same factor is multiplied by Vi, and then we get Vi into Tij, that is Wij, but the elements when I is equal k, then the value is Wj, otherwise it is 0. So all the elements become 0, left the beta I1 W1 plus beta I2 W2 plus beta I3 W3 and so on, beta In Wn. But W1, W2, Wn are the linearly independent over F. Therefore, beta I1, all the betas become 0. Ranging I is in, I is greater than equals to 1 is less than equals to m. We get beta ij is equal 0, hence Tij are the linearly independent over F. Now, we claim that every element of homomorphism VW in linear combination of Tij over F, let S belongs to homomorphism VW, then V1S is equal to alpha 1 W1, alpha 1 2 W2 and so on, alpha 1 and Wn. Similarly, we have Vms is equal to alpha 1 and then take H0 is equal to alpha 1 1 T1 1 plus alpha 2 2 and so on. It becomes alpha Mn Tmn. Vi S0 is equal to Vi se multiplied by Vi, and then get V alpha 1 1 Vi T1 1 and so on. So alpha I1, because of all the elements become 0, as we know that the Tij, Vi Tij is equal to W j when I is equal to k and is 0 if I is not equal to k. So all the elements become 0 left except alpha I1 W1 plus alpha I2 W2 and so on, alpha In Wn, and is equal to Vis. Similarly, we can see that the Vi S0 is equal Vis for every I, and I is greater than equal 1 is less than equals to m. Therefore, Vs0 is equal Vs for all V belongs to V. Hence, S0 is equal S. It shows that every element of homomorphism Vw is a linear combination of Tij over F, and therefore homomorphism Vw is a vector space of dimension Mn over F. Thank you.